Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the issue type in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your selected project. In this new tab containing your project, click on the All Work tab from the navigation menu above. Next, in here, click on your selected ticket that you want to work on. Then in this new tab, look for this very small symbol up here, and when you hover your mouse over it, you can see that this is labeled as your work type, which is the same as your issue type. Next, click on this symbol, and this drop-down menu will appear. In here, you're going to choose your preferred work type. And under your work types, you also have the option to add, edit, and manage your work types. Once you've chosen your preferred work type, click on it and Jira will automatically update and your changes will be saved and reflected. And that is how you can change the issue type in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.